If you like free things, then you're gonna like this video because I have 5 free mobile Lightroom presets for you. What's going on, everybody? Jordan Polmano here with another video. I wanted to start with a quick thank you. I just hit 1,000 subscribers. I wanted to thank everybody on this channel who is subscribed because you got me there. When I first started posting these videos, I thought that maybe they would get like 60 to 80 views each and the channel wouldn't grow, but you've proved me wrong, and it's very reassuring that the work that I'm putting into this is worth it. So to everybody who is subscribed to this channel, I wanted to give a small little gift, and that is a pack of presets. I'm calling this the Matte Black Preset Pack. 5 total presets, 4 of them are gonna be that matte black dark tone vibe that I use a lot on my Instagram feed, and then one of them is just an extra that I threw in there that's great for outdoor urban looks. I've packaged these presets so that you can download them directly onto your phone and get them set up right there in Lightroom Mobile. Now with any preset pack, these are not a one click and you're ready to go type of thing. They're gonna react differently to every photo based on the exposure and different colors that are in those. So use these as a base. If it's not looking good when you put it on your photo, you can adjust it until it looks right. So I'll give you a quick rundown of these presets and then I'll show you how you can install them on your phone. Starting with Heavy Matte, this is probably my favorite preset, and this one just gives this very faded and desaturated look. Now let's move on to the next preset. This is gonna be Matte Black 1. You can see the raw photos naturally has a lot of green and blue cast coming from the screen. Matte Black 1 is gonna be perfect for a brighter image that has less shadows that you need to bring up. And that's gonna bring us into Matte Black 2. Matte Black 2 you're gonna wanna use for darker photos that you need to bring out some of the shadows and kind of recover those. So if we throw that on here, you can see that it brings out a lot of the details in the image. Here's the before and the after. Next up we have our Subtle Matte. The Subtle is gonna be a great kind of base starting point for your photos. So you can use that and then go back in and adjust everything. And with all these presets, it has all of the information there. So once you apply a preset, if it doesn't look exactly how you want it, you just go in and you tweak it until it looks how you like. And lastly, we have the white and orange preset. Now, I use this a lot for my lifestyle and touring shots, so I wanted to be sure to include that in here as well. This one pretty much just desaturates all the blues and a lot of the greens, which is gonna give you a nice kind of bleached look in your concrete. That's why I like this one a lot, and this is kind of the style that I use for a lot of my bright exterior shots. Now you can use these presets either on your phone or on your Lightroom desktop. I'll show you how to get them onto your phone first and then desktop after. So let's click that link in the description, and that's gonna bring you to jordanpolmano.com/free presets. That's gonna take you to this landing page where you're gonna have 2 steps. The first one, if you're not already, subscribe to the channel. I'm giving you free presets, just subscribe. After that, you're gonna go to step 2, and that is click download via Dropbox. Now, if you don't have Dropbox on your phone already, be sure to download the app and get it set up. It's gonna make the process of this a little bit easier. Once you click that link, it's going to bring you either straight into the app if it's set up, or it's gonna bring you to this page. If you have the app already, just click on continue to website. It's gonna bring you to this page. Click on view an app, and that's gonna open it up here. Now what you're gonna wanna do is go to presets, mobile, and now we have all of our presets here. Each one of these presets is saved as a DNG file, which means it has all of the local adjustments saved into that image. So let's start with the first preset, and that is Heavy Matte. Go ahead and click on that, hit the 3 bubbles in the top right corner, hit export, save image, and it's going to export out. Now we're gonna open up Lightroom Mobile. Once that's opened up, you're gonna go to this library tab, all photos, and you're gonna see Heavy Matte DNG. Now that DNG is what we want. Click on that. Now that that's there, it's gonna look a little weird. It's gonna look like there's multiple filters on it. That's because there basically is. Once you open up that photo, go to the top right, the 3 bubbles, hit that, create preset. And for this first one, what you're gonna wanna do is go to preset group, create new preset group, and then let's do Matte Black. Now we're gonna save all of our presets under this just to keep everything organized so that you can find it. Let's name this one Heavy Matte, save it. Boom, Heavy Matte added to presets. So now we go to our presets tab, change it to Matte Black, and you're gonna find our preset here. You're gonna repeat this process for the final 4 photos, and now you're gonna have all of those presets saved under your preset tab. To install these on your desktop, go to the same link that's in the description of this video. Click the download button, It'll take you over to the Dropbox link, and now you're gonna go to Presets Desktop. Click on the 3-dot button on the right, download. Now you're gonna open up Lightroom Classic, and in your Presets tab, you're gonna click the plus sign, import presets, and then in your downloads, find that zipped file. That'll automatically unzip and install these straight into Lightroom. They should already be grouped under Matte Black by Jordan Polmano, so they're organized within one folder. And there you have it, 5 presets completely free for you. All I ask is, if you're not subscribed already, just subscribe. Download these presets, play around with them, go out and take some shots in your backyard, your front yard, wherever you can, and just kind of play around with these. And it's also a good way to learn Lightroom if you're not too familiar with it. This is how I learned Lightroom when I first started. I downloaded a lot of presets and just studied the different adjustments and different color changes and stuff that people used in them, so that way I was able to see how they were gonna react to photos. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope that you enjoy these presets and that you get a lot out of them. If you do enjoy them, be sure to like this video, hit me up in the comments, say what's up, and until then, stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you all in the next video.